Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is identification the letter of Jajam. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 10 and SW number 10. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will identify the letter of Jajam. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, our today's topic is, that identification the letter of Jajam. My dear student, before starting our class, we will know that what sign is called Jajam. My dear students, this sign is called Jajam. You know that this sign is called Jajam. So my dear students, we will identify the Jajam taken letter today. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, here I have written 8 Arabic word from 1 to 8. 8 Arabic word. Today we will identify the Jajam taken later. So my dear students, let's start. Our first number Arabic word is ihdi. Ihdi. My dear students, you see here is Ha is the Jajam taken later. So at first I identify the Ha. Then now I'm writing the Jajam taken Horof here. Ha and Jajam. My dear students, here Ha has taken Jajam. So I am writing here the Jajam taken Horof Ha and Jajam. Okay, now number 2. The Arabic word is lasta. Lasta. My dear students, at first I identify the Jajam taken later. My dear students, Seen here. Seen has taken here Jajam. Now I am writing here the Jajam taken of Seen and Jajam. Seen and Jajam. Then my dear students, our number 3 number Arabic word is Alam Tara. Alam Tara. My dear students, here you see Mim has taken Jajam. Now I identify the Jajam taken later first. Then I am writing Mim and Jajam. Mim has taken here Jajam. So I wrote here the Jajam taken Horof Mim and Jajam. Now number 4, my dear students, our Arabic word is Sa'ya. Sa'ya. My dear students, you see here Ain has taken Jajam. I first identify the Jajam taken Horof first. Then I am writing Ain and Jajam. Now my dear students, our Arabic 5 number Arabic word is Mashriqi. Mashriqi. My dear students, you see here is She has taken Jajam. At first I have identified the Jajam taken later. Then I am writing Sheen and Jajam. My dear students, you know that Sheen has 3 drops or nukta. Now my dear students, our 6 number Arabic word is Maghribi. There will be J. Maghribi. Maghribi. My dear students, here is Goin has taken Jajam. Now I am writing Goin and Jajam. Now my dear students, our 7 number Arabic word is Qutilat. Qutilat. My dear students, here Ta has taken Jajam. Now I am writing ta and jojom. Now, my dear students, our 8 number Arabic word ultu. Ultu, my dear students, you see here lam has taken jodom. So I am writing here lam and jodom. Here lam has taken jodom, so I am writing here lam and jodom. My dear students, Alhamdulillah, today we have identified the letter of identification, the letter of jojom. My dear students, today we have identified which letter has taken jojom. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, you will learn, you will memorize this 8 identification the letter of jojom at your home very carefully. And my dear students, you will make SW at your home as SW number 10, the identification letter of jojom from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5. My dear students, you will make SW at your home identification the letter of jojom 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5. You will make SW at your home this 5. My dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. No more today, inshallah. See you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.